Hey there, future scientists. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of microbiology. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your understanding, stick around. We'll explore the essential instruments, learn about some cool microorganisms, and give a shout out to the pioneers who made it all possible. First up, the microscope. This is your window into the unseen world of microorganisms. There are different types, but the compound light microscope is the most common in labs. It uses visible light and a series of lenses to magnify tiny specimens, making them visible to the human eye. Just think of it as the superhero of all microbiology tools. Next, we have the Petri dish. Named after Julius Richard Petri, this shallow cylindrical glass or plastic-lidded dish is used to culture microorganisms. You simply fill it with agar, a jelly-like substance derived from seaweed, and watch as bacteria and fungi colonies grow. It's like a mini ecosystem right on your lab bench. Now, let's talk about staining techniques. These are crucial for observing microorganisms under a microscope. The gram stain is one of the most widely used methods. It involves staining bacteria with crystal violet dye, followed by a counter stain with safranin. This technique helps differentiate between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria based on the composition of their cell walls. Alright, time to meet some microorganisms. First, we have Escherichia coli, or E. coli for short. This rod-shaped bacterium is found in the lower intestine of warm-blooded organisms. While some strains are harmless, others can cause food poisoning. Then there's Saccharomyces cerevisiae, also known as baker's yeast. This little fungus is a superstar in the kitchen, helping us bake bread and brew beer. And let's not forget the infamous Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacterium responsible for tuberculosis. It's a tough nut to crack and requires special staining techniques to be seen under a microscope. Now, who made all this possible? Let's give a big round of applause to the pioneers of microbiology. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, often called the father of microbiology, was the first to observe and describe microorganisms using a microscope of his own design. Then we have Louis Pasteur, a giant in the field of microbiology. Pasteur developed the process of pasteurization, which kills harmful microbes in food and drinks. He also created vaccines for rabies and anthrax, saving countless lives. And let's not forget Robert Koch, who identified the specific causative agents of tuberculosis, cholera, and anthrax. Their groundbreaking work laid the foundation for modern microbiology. So, there you have it. A quick tour of the basics of microbiology. From essential instruments and staining techniques to some fascinating microorganisms and the legends who paved the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science content. Until next time, keep exploring the microscopic world.